Alright, you're welcome back again to my channel. Please like and subscribe. How to create a WhatsApp channel using your phone. It is very simple. Once you open your WhatsApp, you click on update. Okay, you click on this update. This is a WhatsApp latest update. Okay, most of us have seen these changes on our phone or WhatsApp and they don't know how to create it. It's very simple. Once you click on this update, you click on this plus sign. Okay, it is very simple. I would like you to follow this video. This video is very simple for everybody. Okay, once you click on this plus sign, what's the next step? Okay, find channel or create channel. Okay, you click on create a channel. Okay, once you click there, what's the next thing? You click on continue. Okay, remember, consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, here you can fill your channel's name, add your profile picture. Okay, let's begin with adding your profile picture, your channel's picture. Okay, what's the next thing? You click on that camera icon. Okay, once you click there, it will direct you to your phone gallery. You select the picture that you want. Then what's the next thing? You add your channel's name. At this place I mark. Okay, you click on this describe your channel. Okay, add the description about your channel, about who you are. After that, what's the next thing? You click on create a channel. Create channel, you tap there. The channel has been created. So since you've created your channel, what's the next thing? You have to tell people to follow you and also follow up the news. Okay, that's please, I would like you to share this video for everybody. This video, many people, most of us are looking for a way to create this channel, but I've made this video very simple for everybody. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you follow us on Facebook, and don't fail to turn on the notification button for more videos.